What's good, YouTube? Today, y'all, we ain't got nothing planned. Today, we finna just go, I'm finna wash the car. The car real dirty. Let me get out a little walk around. Look how dirty them rims is. This bitch is filthy, though. I just left AutoZone. Got everything that I needed. I'm finna show y'all the stuff that I use. But as y'all can see by the title, man, we washing the car, so I'm finna show y'all what kind of soap I use and everything. So this the type of soap I use right here. This the greaser for the tires and the rims and everything. Get all the grease off of it. This something new I seen. It's like a little shimmy thing. And I don't like using like big ass shimmies. Like this like a little nice little small size. So, and you know, you gotta have your car smelling good. So got some black ice. So man, let me go ahead and set the camera up for y'all. Finna get y'all a little view of me washing the car. Nothing too major. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and put on your post notification. I love y'all. Keep showing love. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. About anybody else, but what I do, I start with my rims first. Cause if the sun out, like think about it, if you wash your body first, right, and your car just sitting in the sun while you clean out for your wheels, the water gonna dry up on your paint. So it don't make no sense of double working yourself. So wash your rims first, then you wash your body. But y'all see the stuff working already. Haven't been even 30 seconds while I've been on there. So I let that sit for a couple minutes. And I come to the other wheel. Spread the wheel. Ain't gotta put too much on it. Spray the whole tie. And spray your rims. Let that sit. Come back to this wheel. And I'm gonna spray it off. That's all it. From not even scrubbing, it's just me spraying it on there and spraying it off. just finished washing it. I don't know if the wind blowing or not, but fuck it. That wind don't stop y'all from seeing this clean motherfucker. Oh, that bitch barking. This bitch so fucking clean. Boy, I be doing my shit on these washes. Man, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man.